Your Ford is hiding features that could save you thousands of dollars, transform how you use your truck, and make everyday driving dramatically easier. The problem is, Ford buries these capabilities in hundreds of pages of owner's manuals that almost nobody reads completely. Today, we are revealing 5 hidden Ford features that most owners never use. Feature number 3 turns your truck into a mobile generator that can power an entire job site. Feature number 2 gives you a secret access point that could save you from being stranded. And feature number 1 is a complete customization system that makes your Ford recognize you the moment you walk up to it. Let us start with feature number 5. The Ford Pass app is installed on millions of phones, but most owners only use it for checking fuel level or tire pressure. What they do not realize is that Ford Pass contains hidden capabilities that transform your smartphone into a complete command center. Ford Pass can start your Ford's climate control system before you even leave your house. This is not just remote start. The system intelligently assesses both interior and exterior temperatures to determine optimal settings. On freezing winter mornings, it activates heated seats and the heated steering wheel automatically. On scorching summer days, it cranks the air conditioning before you step outside. Ford Pass also provides complete diagnostics that most owners never check. Engine health status, individual tire pressure readings, oil life percentage, and battery condition are all available at a glance. The app sends maintenance alerts based on your actual driving patterns, not just arbitrary mileage intervals. The GPS tracking is equally powerful. Lost your truck in a crowded parking lot? The app shows you exactly where you parked. Need to verify your teenager actually drove to school? The trip history shows everywhere your Ford has been. Some owners have even recovered stolen vehicles using this feature before police could respond. Spend 10 minutes diving into Ford Pass settings, and you will discover functionality that other automakers charge subscription fees to provide. Ford includes it free with Ford Pass Connect equipped vehicles. Feature number 4, constantly. Surprises experienced Ford owners who thought they knew their trucks inside and out. The Secure Code keyless entry keypad on the driver's door isn't just for unlocking when you've locked your keys inside. This system contains hidden functions that most owners have never discovered. Everyone knows the basic function. Enter your 5-digit code and the driver's door unlocks. But here's what Ford does not make obvious. After entering your code, if you press the 3-4 button within 5 seconds, all doors unlock simultaneously. Perfect when you are approaching with family or loading passengers. Need to lock the vehicle without your key fob? Press and hold the 7, 8, and 9, 0 buttons simultaneously with the driver's door closed. The doors lock without requiring any entry code first. The trunk function is equally hidden. Enter your code, then press 5-6 within 5 seconds. On trucks with power tailgates, this releases the tailgate remotely, incredibly useful when your hands are full. Ford also allows you to program up to 5 personal codes in addition to the factory code. Each family member can have their own unique code. To program one, enter the factory code. Press 1-2 within 5 seconds, enter your new 5-digit code, and press 1-2 again to save. This means you can give a valet a personal code that you later erase, rather than sharing your permanent factory code. To erase all personal codes, enter your factory code, press 1-2, then hold 1-2 for 2 seconds. If you have lost your factory code, check behind the passenger side kick panel on F-150s. The code is often printed on a sticker attached to the body control module. Some newer models display the code on the infotainment screen when you insert 2 programmed keys in sequence. Feature number 3 transforms how Ford truck owners work, camp, and handle emergencies. ProPower. Onboard turns your Ford truck into a mobile generator that can power tools, appliances, and even your home. Most owners know this feature exists on equipped trucks, but they dramatically underestimate what it can actually do. The base 2 kilowatt system on gas-powered F-150s provides enough electricity to run a circular saw, work lights, and charge power tools at the same time. The 2.4 kilowatt system on Power Boost hybrids can run continuously for 85 hours on a full tank. That is over 3.5 days of continuous power generation. The 7.2 kilowatt system on higher trim hybrids outputs more power than most residential standby generators. You could run an entire construction site with industrial saws, welding equipment, and air compressors all at once. Here is what makes ProPower Onboard different from a cigarette lighter. The system produces pure sine output, identical to your home electrical outlets. You can safely power sensitive electronics and medical equipment without risk of damage. The hidden capability most owners miss is generator mode. When activated through the infotainment screen, your truck overrides the automatic idle shutdown function. It will continue running and generating power until the fuel tank is depleted. You can leave your truck running as a generator overnight without worrying about it shutting off. For F-150 Lightning owners, the system goes even further. With the Ford Charge Station Pro installed, your Lightning can actually power your entire house during grid outages. An extended range, Lightning can power an average home for 3 full days. Feature number 2 saves more people from bad situations than almost any other capability built into Ford vehicles. Your Ford contains a hidden backup slot designed to start your vehicle when your key fob battery dies. This situation happens more often than you would expect. You press the start button and nothing happens. Your key fob is completely dead. Most owners assume they are stranded. What they do not realize is that Ford engineered a solution directly into the vehicle. On trucks and SUVs with push-button start, look inside your center console near the cup holder area. You will find a small slot specifically designed to read your key fob without any battery power. The slot uses inductive coupling to detect your key fob's unique signature, even when the battery is completely depleted. Place the entire key fob into the backup slot with the buttons facing downward. The vehicle will recognize the fob and allow you to start the engine by pressing the brake pedal and pressing the start button normally. Your key fob also contains a mechanical key. Press the small release and slide out the physical key. This can manually unlock your driver's door if the battery is so dead that even the exterior keypad will not respond. Look for a small slot on the driver's door handle, often hidden under a cap. The backup slot location varies between vehicles. On some F-150s, it is under the cup holder mat. On trucks with bench seats, it is in the storage compartment under the center jump seat. Check your owner's manual for your specific model, but every push-button start Ford has one somewhere. Test this feature when your fob is working so you know exactly where to place it. That preparation turns a potential crisis into a minor inconvenience. Feature number 1 completely changes how your Ford responds to you personally. Personal profiles. In Ford's sync system, allow your vehicle to remember everything about your preferences and automatically configure itself the moment you approach. This is not just seat position memory. The system stores climate control preferences, radio presets, navigation history, ambient lighting settings, and driver assistance configurations. When you create a profile and link it to your key fob, your Ford recognizes which driver is approaching based on which fob unlocks the door. Before you even sit down, the seats begin moving to your saved position. The mirrors adjust, the steering wheel telescopes. By the time you are settled, everything is exactly where you want it. Your sync system remembers your audio preferences, so your favorite station or podcast is ready to play. Navigation recalls recent destinations and suggests routes based on time of day. Climate control sets your preferred temperature without touching any buttons. Setting this up takes about 5 minutes. Navigate to settings on your sync touchscreen, select personal profiles, and create a new profile. Link your specific key fob to that profile. The system walks you through each step. For families sharing a vehicle, this feature is transformative. Create a profile for each driver with their own key fob assignment. When your spouse unlocks the door with their fob, the vehicle automatically adjusts to their preferences. When you unlock with yours, it reconfigures for you. Surveys suggest fewer than 20% of eligible Ford owners have ever set up a profile. That means most people are missing out on a feature that makes every drive feel personalized. Ford designed these features to make ownership better. They built secure code keypads with hidden functions. They engineered ProPower Onboard to turn trucks into mobile power stations. They created Ford Pass to put complete vehicle control in your pocket. They installed backup systems so dead batteries do not strand you, and they developed personal profiles to make every Ford feel like it was built specifically for its owner. Take action today. Open Ford Pass and explore every menu. Program a personal code into your SecuriCode keypad. Locate the dead key fob backup slot before you need it. Create personal profiles for everyone who drives your Ford. These are not complicated features. They do not require technical expertise or special tools. They are sitting in your Ford right now, waiting to be discovered and used. The only question is whether you will take 10 minutes to unlock capabilities that transform how you interact with your vehicle.